Milk is one of the most consumed beverages in the world, enjoyed in everything from a morning cup of coffee to a bowl of cereal. But have you ever wondered how the milk in your fridge goes from a farm to your glass? The process involves advanced technology, strict hygiene standards, and a careful balance between tradition and modern science. Today we'll take you through the entire journey of milk, from the farm to processing plants, and finally to your home. Milk production begins at dairy farms, where thousands of cows produce milk daily. These cows are carefully bred and raised to ensure they stay healthy, comfortable, and productive. A well-fed dairy cow can produce 6 to 7 gallons of milk per day, but this depends on factors like diet, breed, and overall health. Farmers ensure that each cow gets a balanced diet rich in proteins, minerals, and fiber to maximize milk quality and yield. Once the milk is collected, it is stored in large refrigerated tanks to keep it fresh and safe from bacteria. Within hours, insulated milk tanker trucks arrive to transport the milk to processing plants. These specialized stainless steel tanker trucks are designed to keep the milk at a constant low temperature, preventing spoilage during transport. The milk is tested for purity, temperature, and bacterial levels before it even leaves the farm. Once the milk arrives at the processing plant, it undergoes a series of tests to ensure it meets strict safety standards. If any milk is found to contain harmful bacteria, antibiotics, or abnormalities, it is immediately discarded. In the pasteurization process, milk is rapidly heated to 161 degrees Fahrenheit or 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, then immediately cooled. This kills any harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's nutrients and flavor. Without homogenization, milk naturally separates into cream and liquid layers. To solve this, the milk is passed through high-pressure nozzles that break fat molecules into tiny, uniform sizes, giving milk its smooth, creamy consistency. Milk is then standardized to different fat levels such as whole milk, 2% reduced fat milk, 1% low-fat milk, and skim milk. This ensures consistent quality for every carton of milk you buy. Once processed, the milk is bottled, sealed, and labeled before heading to supermarkets worldwide. Each bottle undergoes another round of quality checks to ensure it meets safety regulations. The packaged milk is then transported in refrigerated trucks to keep it fresh during its journey to stores. Within 24 to 48 hours of leaving the farm, the milk reaches consumers, ready to be enjoyed. As technology advances, dairy farms and processing plants are finding more sustainable ways to produce milk. Some farms now use AI-powered monitoring systems to track cow health and milk quality. Others are investing in eco-friendly packaging and plant-based dairy alternatives. With new advancements in dairy farming, we can expect even healthier, safer, and more sustainable milk production in the future. From dairy cows to grocery store shelves, milk production is a complex process requiring strict quality control and cutting-edge technology. Next time you enjoy a glass of milk, remember the incredible journey it took to get to your table. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible factory tours.